For many of us, 2020 was the hardest year of our lives. Australia is still reeling from the economic and social impact of the COVID-19 pandemic. However, the pandemic has accelerated the push towards a digital economy and empowering Australians through technology. More of us are working from home more than ever before, choosing when we come into the workplace. We're using video calls and other communications tools to save time and get more done. One sector critical to the nation's ambition to be a digital economy is the FinTech sector, and its growth through the pandemic has been critical to the economic recovery. It's employing thousands of Australians already and growing rapidly. It's also transforming the way we manage, save, and spend money. Australia's largest emerging companies are fintechs, and they are drawing overseas investment into the country. Many, like Afterpay, Zip, and Upbank, are household names. But crucially, they are helping everyday Australians get smarter with their money. They are teaching them how to save, plan, and capitalize on every dollar they earn. FinTech is slowly but surely changing the way we think about money in Australia. Not only is it directly contributing to our economy, but it's making it stronger. Here at Intersekt, we're discussing this future and asking the big questions. We'll be hearing insights from new voices in the sector and giving a platform to some of the behind-the-scenes talent that have put Australia's fintech industry on the map. So sit back and enjoy Australia's most thought-provoking conference, Intersekt.